Alright, so binutils reran our make k check. Okay, you should have no errors or something, at least it looks like this at the very tail. Okay, and I can say I just created another screen, but it should have something like this at the tail end. Clear binutils make k check. Say make tool dir equals user install. Won't take long at all. Okay, and then binutils is done. Now we're on to GMP. I think GMP has the test. Yes, it does. Okay. Move. Binutils build. Binutils 225 backgrounding. Tar. XVF now our GMP library. Okay. And here it says if you're building for a 32-bit x86 but you have a CPU which is capable of running a 64-bit code and you have specified C flags in the environment, the configure script will attempt to fail or attempt to figure for 64 and fail. Avoid this by invoking the configure command below. ABI equals 32. So I don't have a 32-bit that is capable of running 64-bit code. Okay. If you do have a 32-bit that is capable of running 64-bit code, then I would do this, if that's what you're using. If you have a 64-bit, I would ignore this. Okay? So, I'm just going to run this here. Okay? And if you have a 64-bit, you can run this here as well, because you don't have a 32-bit machine that is capable of running 32-bit code. Because you have a 64-bit. I have a 32-bit straight. That's it. Nothing capable of running 64-bit, so I'm going to run this as well. But if you have a 32-bit that is capable of running 64-bit, append the ABI equals 32 to it. Enable CXX doc dir equals user share doc GMP dash 0.8. Okay. And this package contains math libraries. Okay, these are useful functions for arbitrary precision arithmetic. GMP has this check in it. Let me see if MPF4 does. Yes. And MPC is not mandatory. Okay. 1.3 SBUs for GMP. That's including the test. So we're all configured. And we want to say make. I'm going to string this all together. Make HTML and make check standard out, standard error, standard in, standard out, in, out, and error, I don't know, into N1, tee it off into GMP check log. Okay. There we go. 1.3 SBUs, and be back in a second.